In a world where all people struggle to make ends meet.
Really? All people?
In a world where 83.729% of people live paycheck to paycheck.
That is oddly specific and sounds made up.
In a world where lots of people in some places struggle to get by.
Weirdly phrased, but better.
In a world where people turn to side hustles in trading their valuable time for money, one man went on a voyage to prove passive income was a better way.
Not a voyage, just a simple New Year's resolution.
That man knew passive income opportunities are literally endless.
Endless is an exaggeration, but there are lots of opportunities out there.
One man decided to pursue hundreds of passive income streams to prove struggling people could have their cake and eat it too.
Ditch the cake thing, kinda weird, and I didn't pursue hundreds of passive income streams. I pursued exactly 12 income streams.
One man spent his entire life building a dozen passive income streams and journeyed the world to do so.
Nope, I did it from home, and it took me exactly 1 year.
One man built 12 passive income streams in 1 year while wearing sweatpants at home.
I prefer athleisure.
Watch the feature-length documentary film all of Hollywood is raving about. See how one man changed the world forever.
No, I wrote a book, just a regular old book, not a movie. And I didn't set out to change the world, just to show people how to earn smarter, not harder.
A book? But nobody reads those anymore.
Don't know if that's true, but I also made a passive income resolution YouTube channel so readers can watch to learn more.
Read The Future, New York Times, #1 bestseller from the major publishing house that brought you.
Nope, I'm an independent author. I am hoping my book will hit #1 in like some obscure category on Amazon though.
Okay. From the top. In a world, one ordinary man went on a journey to build 12 passive income streams. In 1 year, yada yada, he documented the whole thing on YouTube and in his new independent book, Passive Income Resolution, blah blah, available now everywhere books are sold.
Only available on Amazon.
Okay, you know what? Just buy the book. I'm out of here.